When building powerful LLM, RAG, and AI systems, raw data is often in a format that is too large for AI systems to efficiently process. Splitting documents into smaller pieces, also known as chunking, enables AI models to process the data effectively. This results in improved performance and lower costs. This is where MarkLogic Flux comes in. Flux gives you the flexibility to take your messy, raw documents and transform them into the precise, searchable, and context-aware structure that RAG and AI systems demand. In this video, I'll show you how to use MarkLogic Flux to split your data to ensure it's optimized for AI. To split the data, Flux offers a number of options during the import process. The MarkLogic Flux default splitter splits text on paragraphs, sentences, lines, and words. This type of splitting is best for use cases that require consistent chunk sizes like RAG applications. The chunk size and character overlap can be specified. The regex splitter is used when you have specific data patterns, a consistent data structure, or you need to split at exact boundaries. A regular expression is used to indicate the data pattern that will cause a split. The chunk size and character overlap can also be specified with the regex splitter. You can also create custom splitters. A good use case for using a custom splitter with Flux is when you need to implement advanced, sophisticated, or domain-specific text splitting strategies that go beyond the capabilities of Flux's native default or regex options. For example, perhaps medical records should be split by diagnosis. The custom splitter is called using a command like this. Now that I have explained the concepts, let's look at an example from the president's dataset. Looking at the data in Query Console, you can see that the description field contains a substantial amount of information. With Flux, I can use character-based splitting to import the data into smaller chunks. The path and the connection string are standard. These commands tell Flux to split text in the description field after every 500 characters at the nearest word boundary. It also specifies a maximum overlap of 50 characters between the end of one chunk and the beginning of the next chunk. These commands help ensure that information is not lost and maintains context for better search and AI understanding. After executing the command, you can see the documents in Query Console. By default, a separate sidecar document is created for each chunk. Click on a document to view it. The details of the document are shown. I can also use the regex splitter for sentence-based splitting. The first lines are the same as last time. This line uses a regular expression that splits at sentence boundaries, a period, exclamation, or question mark with a white space. After running the command, you can see that the data is split at sentence boundaries and into larger chunks. You can also create a custom splitter. This splitter uses natural paragraph breaks, automatically categorizes content, maintains context by including the president's name and dates in every chunk, optimizes chunk size, and removes HTML markup for better AI processing. After creating the custom splitter, I can run it with Flux. The beginning of the command is the same as before. This section points to the custom Java class instead of the built-in splitters. This section passes the maximum chunk size and tells the splitter to add the president metadata and a collection name to each chunk. After running the command, I can see the results in Query Console. Notice that the custom splitter organized the data differently, included the president's name in this chunk, and added a section field to help classify the data. This video explained how you can use Flux to split your data. This is an important step when developing AI tools that work with LLMs. For additional resources, see the description below.